Pour water over it, and it will protect you all winter. To start, take 1 orange and peel it. Oranges are not only a delicious fruit, but also a source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system, especially during winter. Next, take 2 lemons and peel them as well. Lemons contain natural acids that have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Cut the citrus fruits into smaller pieces. Now grab a large piece of ginger. Peel it and chop it. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and helps fight infections. Put all the chopped ingredients into a blender. Add 1 small teaspoon of turmeric and 1 of cinnamon. Turmeric is a natural antioxidant with anti-inflammatory effects, while cinnamon has antibacterial properties. Then add half a small teaspoon of ground black pepper. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Blend everything into a smooth, uniform mixture. Take some ice cube trays and pour the mixture into them. Place the trays in the freezer. Once the cubes are ready, take one out. Drop the cube into a cup and pour warm water over it. Stir well until the cube dissolves. In just a few minutes, you'll create a natural vitamin shot that warms you up and boosts your immunity. It's the perfect remedy for fighting colds and strengthening your body during the chilly days.
This natural mixture cuts cough like a knife. You will stop coughing immediately, and your throat will stop hurting. It acts as a shield against the flu. Take a large orange. Cut off its end. Using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the pulp. The orange boosts the immunity of mucous membranes and seals the walls of blood vessels, preventing viruses from entering the body. It is rich in vitamin C, which makes the course of the illness milder. Take a clove of garlic. Chop it into small cubes. It contains allicin, a substance that has antibiotic properties. It soothes coughs and inflammations. Put it into the hollowed orange. Next, take a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into pieces. It has a warming effect, reduces low-grade fever, alleviates accompanying infection-related headaches, muscle aches, and sore throat. It thins mucus and soothes coughs. Add ginger pieces to the orange. Pour a tablespoon of honey over the mixture. It has antibacterial properties and helps to eliminate bacteria from the body faster. It has expectorant properties, aiding the process of clearing the respiratory passages. It transforms dry cough into a wet one, allowing the expulsion of mucus. Close the orange and leave it for 2 hours. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will be almost ready. Take a citrus juicer. Squeeze the orange with the mixture on it. The juicer strainer will drain the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the mixture into a small jar. The dosage for children under 2 years old is 2 teaspoons per day. Adults can drink the entire mixture at once. A mixture for hypertension, lowering blood sugar, and regulating cholesterol levels. Just a few apples can improve parameters crucial for health, and when you add a few spices to them, such a mixture can work wonders, especially for people in middle age. Take 2 apples. They contain vitamin C, E, B group vitamins, magnesium, and potassium, which are crucial in combating hypertension. Cut them into quarters and remove the seeds. The polyphenols in apples not only help lower blood pressure, but also sugar levels. Just 2 apples a day also lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of type B diabetes. Add the sliced apples. Add 5 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks. Cloves support insulin production in the body and lower bad cholesterol. Cinnamon, on the other hand, lowers systolic and diastolic pressure. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Cook all the ingredients together for 10 minutes. After cooking the mixture, strain it through a sieve and let it cool. Drink at least 3 times a week in a small glass. You will quickly notice an improvement in well-being. The body will cleanse and heal itself, and cholesterol will finally be within the normal range.
Drink this before bedtime, and the effects will surprise you. It dissolves everything you've eaten throughout the day. This green beverage is a natural weight loss remedy. It boosts metabolism and aids in easy elimination. Effectively combating constipation, it's simple and inexpensive to prepare. Take 3 smaller cucumbers and peel them. Cucumbers are excellent for hydrating the body, providing numerous vitamins and minerals. They act as antioxidants, aid in constipation issues, support weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Chop the cucumbers into smaller pieces and place them in a container for crushing. Add clean, fresh mint leaves. Mint stimulates the secretion of digestive juices. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and pour it into the container with cucumbers and mint. Lemon primarily alleviates heartburn symptoms and aids digestion. Include a small piece of ginger with the cucumbers and mint. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juices, and bile. Pour around 300 to 400 milliliters of water. Blend everything, strain it through a sieve, and pour it into glasses. Drink it every night before bedtime. It takes literally a moment to make. Use it for at least a week, and you'll feel the results. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll experience significant relief. It supports weight loss, leaving you feeling noticeably lighter. Feeling bloated and full? Is your liver calling for help? This homemade syrup will come to its rescue and kickstart its function. Your intestines will also start functioning properly. Your entire metabolism will improve. Just 1 tablespoon a day is enough. Start by washing 3 limes in water. Slice them thinly. They can be quite thin. Limes are primarily a source of vitamin C. They act as antibacterial and antiviral agents. Lime juice cleanses the liver. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them. Peel them and put them in a jar. Add the lime slices to them. Garlic helps rebuild liver tissue. It restores it. Add 5 tablespoons of honey. It protects the liver from damage and prevents the development of liver diseases. Pour in olive oil. Olive oil cleanses the liver of toxins and keeps it in good condition. Gently stir. Use a plastic or preferably wooden spoon. Seal the jar and set it aside for 12 hours. Take 1 teaspoon twice a day. Take 1 in the morning on an empty stomach. Take the second one in the evening before bedtime. The feeling of bloating will disappear. Your blood test results will improve. And additionally, you'll shed unnecessary kilograms. Let me know in the comments from which city you're watching me.
This homemade syrup is 100 times stronger than antibiotics. This natural recipe has been used for generations. You don't need to spend a fortune at the pharmacy when you have a cold. To make it, you'll need 2 heads of garlic. It's important that the garlic is organic. When buying it, pay attention to its country of origin. Peel it and chop it into small pieces. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. Our grandmothers used it when treating colds for a reason. It's an excellent antibacterial agent that warms and helps clear the airways. Studies have shown that garlic is an excellent remedy that supports the treatment of viral infections. Regular use of garlic helps combat colds caused by infections and also helps with coughs and inflamed mucous membranes. The next ingredient is ginger, which also has many healing properties. Peel it using a spoon and cut it into small pieces. Ginger root has detoxifying, pain-relieving, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. This is all thanks to gingerol, which is a potent antioxidant. Prepare clean jar. Put the chopped garlic and ginger into it. The base of the syrup will be honey. This liquid gold is indispensable during illness. It acts like a compress on the infected throat. It is recommended for hoarseness, cough, dryness, and throat pain. Honey has bacteriostatic, antifungal, and immune-boosting properties due to the antioxidants it contains. The final ingredient for the syrup is lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze the juice. Use a strainer to separate the seeds from the juice. It strengthens the immune system. Pour the juice into the jar with the syrup. Mix everything thoroughly. Leave this homemade syrup overnight. The ingredients in it inhibit the development of infection. During a cold, take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day.